Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Rematch game crashing on PC, Steam game crash on launch. Step 1 is verify the integrity of game files. Simply go to your Steam, right click on the game, and then go to its files, then simply verify the integrity of the game files. Step 2. Clear Steam's download cache. Open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner or the icon. Select Settings, then go to Downloads tab. Click on Clear Download Cache, then confirm the action and log back into Steam, then try to open it. If still doesn't work, simply update your graphics drivers. Sometimes it is the issue because we sometimes forgot to update the graphics drivers. If still doesn't work, try installing the game. And that's basically it.